The new MacBook Air is well overdue over an update, so much so that we can reckon Apple's next laptop needs to be the MacBook Air 2022. It's possible we may still need to wait a bit before that happens, but it's also conceivable that we may see a new laptop release in the later half of 2022. Current MacBook Air 2022 rumors point towards a new design with thinner display bezels and Apple M2 chip, along with a slew of new colors. Regular Apple tipster and Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman has claimed that if there is any hardware at WWDC, it will likely be on the Mac side, and that hardware could be the MacBook Air 2022. With German noting Apple is aiming to launch the next MacBook Air with M2 chips at the conference. WWDC is a developer-centric event, but if Apple goes hard on showing off Mac OS changes, then it would be a good time to showcase a new Mac machine as well. When it comes to price, the current MacBook Air starts at $999. We would expect Apple to mostly stick with that pricing in order to keep competitive with Windows laptops. But like a lot of Apple devices, expect the price to jump up when additional RAM and storage are added in. A big reason why you should hold out for the MacBook Air 2022 over the MacBook Air with M1 is that the rumored next generation model could have a redesign. In fact, there is a fresh set of MacBook Air 2022 renders that shows off several color options. There is purple, orange, blue, red, yellow, green and silver grey. Though we are not sure what the official names will be, these renders also show slimmer bezels, a notched display and a MagSafe connector for power. For long-time MacBook fans, MagSafe charging was seen as a defining feature, one that separated Apple from PCs. Unfortunately, Apple removed MagSafe following fire safety concerns and a switch to USB Type-C. But with MagSafe now back on the new MacBook Pros, it's likely to make its way over to the next MacBook Air, and the rumors thus far have hinted at it coming back to the next generation Air as well. The current MacBook Air made waves by coming with the Apple M1 chip, a slice of silicon designed in-house by Cupertino's engineer. It delivered impressive performance and long battery life, while the M2 chip will likely offer upgrades over the previous generation of Apple silicon. Rumors suggest it may be a minor update at best. While the current MacBook Air with M1 is rather good, it's arguably due for a redesign, and that's what the rumors are pointing towards for the MacBook Air 2022. If we can get a better display with narrow bezels as well as an upgraded chipset and MagSafe charging, we can see the next MacBook Air having some serious appeal. This is especially true since it will likely be a lot cheaper than the new MacBook Pros. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.